Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Hopefield Avenue. We just turned off Hope Road onto Hopefield Avenue. On the left is Campion College. It's one of the top high schools in Jamaica. It's actually the number 2 high school in Jamaica. And it is located on Hopefield Avenue. And it's probably the most popular location on Hopefield Avenue. There's another school on Hopefield, and very popular prep school. Okay, so Hopefield is in the Golden Triangle area of Ligoni. So you're going to see a lot of apartments or townhouse complexes. Hundreds of apartments are in this area. It's very popular. And there you can see where the zinc is, another complex being built. This area is where you're going to find the most apartment complexes or townhouses in Jamaica. This Golden Triangle area, and Hopefield is one of the main roads in the Golden Triangle. Alright guys, well, enjoy the tour of Hopefield Avenue. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So we're now coming up to the intersection of Hopefield Avenue and Donhead. If you turn right, you go onto Donhead Avenue. Turn left, you go onto Seymour Avenue. If you continue straight, as we're doing, you'll take Hopefield Avenue down to Lady Musgrave Road. So if we turn left, if we had turned left on Donhead Avenue, that would take us out to Hope Road. If we had turned left on Seymour Avenue, that would take us back out to Old Hope Road. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.